On behalf of the Office of the Vice President, we are grateful to have all of you with us today for this Pride Month outreach activity. Through this activity, we hope to help participants better understand their rights under Republic Act number 11313, or better known as Safe Spaces Act.
LGBTQIA+ persons are entitled to the same protection as everyone else. Huwag po nating maliitin yung sarili natin. Lahat tayo ay pantay-pantay sa batas. These are not privileges. These are your rights and these are protected by law. And no one should feel unsafe just because of who you are.
Kasabihan, ito po yung pagkikilala namin sa lesbian, gay, bisexual, and trans sector, community natin. Taon-taon po, sasagawa kami ng programa para po kilalanin ang kanilang contribution sa buhay ng kanilang pamilya at sa ating mga komunidad.
Ating itong isapuso at i-share po sa ating mga kakilala, kapag-anak. At lagi po natin tatandaan, do not do unto others what you don't want others to do unto you. Ang gusto ko lang mong ipaiwating sa inyong lahat ay paano ho yung respeto na gusto ninyong ibigay sa atin, ganun din ho ang respeto na ibibigay natin sa ating tao-tao.
The Office of the Vice President remains committed to programs that place dignity, equality, and safety at the center of public service.